and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today I'm going to be making some no frills super frugal gift tags out using things that you probably have in your house and offcuts of wrapping paper. So what you need is normal scissors, some craft scissors that have like a designed edge, you know, like a wavy edge, ribbon, offcuts of wrapping paper and a hole punch. So you can do without the scissors and you can do without the hole punch if you use what you have at home, but the hole punch and scissors do give it a better finish, like a better quality of finish. The first step is to cut the wrapping paper to the size you require for your gift tags and then go around the outside with your crafting scissors. This is a great craft to do when you've got a few minutes to watch the telly, sit down and chill out. This was quite therapeutic, and I sat with a cup of tea and spent half an hour just making these. I say these are no frill because they are really no frill, but if you want to go super no frill, just skip the gift tag part and write directly onto your gift. But if you're like me and you like to add a gift tag, then this is a great option. And if you're using leftovers of your wrapping paper, your gift tags are going to match your wrapping paper, your wrapped presents, so that's a bonus. So the next step then is to hole punch each of your gift tags to thread ribbon through. I was threading the ribbon through and trying to tie it, and it was ripping my gift tag, so in the end I just threaded it through because I'm just going to sellotape it onto the gift anyway, so it doesn't need to be tied. And that's the whole process. That's your gift tag made. So it really is super simple and no thrills. You can also use craft paper if you have any to hand. I had this sheet of festive baubles to hand, so I decided to make some extra gift tags. I've posted previously on here and TikTok about using Christmas cards to make gift tags. So after Christmas, save your Christmas cards, cut out the designs and do the same process of hole punching them and threading ribbon through, and you've got Christmas cards for next year. And that goes for the wrapping paper you have left over after Christmas. So if you're gifted presents, save the wrapping paper and do this process and keep the gift tags for next year. Do you have any tips and tricks for wrapping gifts or making gift tags? If you do, I'd appreciate it if you drop them in the comments below so I could have a read through and they might help somebody else out. I've also noticed that the local charity shops are selling handmade gift tags in big bundles. So some were made out of cards, some made out of craft paper, some were really elaborate which cost more, but the ones that were in the big bundles, it looked like you had well over 50 gift tags for £1, and that money goes to charity. So if you're not going to use them yourself, but you quite like the idea of sitting down and making some gift tags, why not donate them to the charity shop, because they may be able to make some money from them. So for little effort and little money, or next to no money, I have all these gift tags ready to go for Christmas presents. Let me know if you have a go at this and how they turn out. I'm always grateful to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video or got some value out of this video, I would appreciate a like. And if you're not subscribed, I would greatly appreciate you joining my Frugal community. So I will see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.